It was good, man.
Great.
Nice and muddy.
That was wonderful.
Good, muddy.
Good. Great, what a great day. We're so thankful.
It was really fun.
It was awesome.
Good.
I've never experienced anything like this.
Neat.
Oh yeah. I'm more tired.
It was actually a lot different.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was actually 10 times better.
It was great. Running with the family.
Can't beat that, yeah.
Oh, great.
Cool.
What was good? What'd you like best? The mud? How about those hills? You like the mud hills to climb up and down?
I would have to say like the last 3 mud piles.
I would say the mud pit.
Yeah, it's called zip line.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, the zip line.
Probably zip line.
Oh, zip line.
Zip line.
Zip line.
Right on, right on.
Zip line by far. Definitely.
Zip line.
I like the swinging rope. What else did you like? I think you like the bird bath.
I like the rope where you swing across, and then if you fail, you get mud.
The army curl.
The mud pit. The mud pit.
The mud. Say the mud.
The mud.
Probably that last part with all the mud. That was really fun.
The army crawl and I have to say the mud pit there.
Yeah, the mud
Right
pit.
on.
Mud pit.
Cool, cool.
I liked it all. So we're definitely gonna come back next year.
Coming back next year.
Good. We'll be here.